Let's try to fix issues with mobile data not working properly on POCO F7 Pro. So first of all, we're gonna go to the settings and choose mobile networks. Over here we need to make sure that our SIM card is enabled, especially if you have more than one SIM card. If you have two, then of course you can easily turn off a SIM card, so remember to turn on the correct one. You can also check the preferred network type. You should try to use 5G network if possible. So if you turned off 5G and selected that you prefer LTE, then just give it a try for a moment and see if it works with 5G. And besides that, if you go back, you might see the option to choose data SIM. That is once again if you have more than one SIM card. So make sure that the correct SIM card is being used. And of course make sure that mobile data itself is enabled over here. Then you also have the mobile data option in quick settings, so over here you can also just quickly enable and disable mobile data. Now, if everything seems to be correct over here in these settings, the next thing that you can also do is go to more connectivity options in the settings, and then over here we can scroll down to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. Unfortunately, these three things are being reset at once, you cannot separate it. So if you press this reset settings button, you will not only need to go back to mobile data settings, you will also need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network or networks and your Bluetooth devices. And also if you have more than one SIM card, once again, then you can choose which SIM card you want to reset. So of course you want to reset the one that you are using for mobile data. So once you reset these settings, you can try to go back to mobile networks in order to see if the correct SIM card is selected over here in data SIM, as well as if the mobile data option is enabled. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!